My dear 10th class students, today we are going to discuss the topic statistics. Okay, na? Already you have in the 9th class about the statistics. What is the meaning of here? Statistics means what here? Statistics means what? We'll counting the by grouped data and ungrouped data. That means what? For easily we will do the calculation in the statistics. Statistics means what here? Counting. Statistics means what here? Counting. What is the meaning of statistics? Counting. So, before we will discuss the statistics, before we are going to discuss the statistics, first of all, what are the topics are there? What are the we have topics? The topics what here? Mean, median, mode, and graph. So, we have these three topics in the 9th class, but extra we have here graph, and also about the mean. Look here, about the mean. So, mean we learn in the 9th class, ungrouped data, only ungrouped data. In this topic we have to learn the grouped and ungrouped data. First we will discuss about the ungrouped data of mean. Ungrouped data of mean. So, ungrouped data mean means here, mean is equal to, we denote the mean is here x bar, we denote the mean is equal to x bar. What is the here? Sum of observation by number of observation. Number of observation. The formula we can write here sigma xi by n. The sigma means here sum. What is the meaning here? Sigma means here sum. Okay. So we will discuss the what is the topic here. Mean means here sum of observation by number of observation. Sigma means what here? Sum. Let me take the one example. Example 4, 8, minus 3, 6, 10. Find mean. Find mean. Simple word, what we have to do? Mean is equal to add this all this number 4 plus 8 minus 3 plus 6 plus 10 by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. 4 plus 8 12. 12 minus 3 9. 9 plus 6 15. 25 by 5. 5 1 5. This is the topic you learn in the 9th class. This is the topic you learn in the 9th class of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. So, what are the topics are contained in the 10th class? What are the topics are contained in the 10th class? Once open the page number 328, some pages numbers are will be different. So, once open the page number here 328, once look at the example 1. Example 1 you have in the 9th class only. Okay na? What is the given here? Some marks are given here, number of students also given. Marks here and number of students. So, here the given the marks and frequency. Here only given the only observation. This is the formula. The marks and frequency are given. What is the formula? Sigma xi by sigma fi. That is the formula of the, if they given the example 1. You did in the 9th class only this one. Already did in the 9th class. That is the example 1. Everybody can understand the topic of example 1. So, that is the clear. Now we are going to discuss the main topic. What are the topics are there here? Topic is the main here. We have the, in this 10th class, we have the 3 methods. What do we have? 3 methods. While you are writing the fair notes, so write down this one, meaning of grouped data, ungrouped data, write down this formula and write down this example and write down the example 1. After example 1, what I am saying on the blackboard, you will note it down. Once check out the okay. So, we will discuss the topic of mean grouped data. What is a grouped data? Grouped means what here? What is the meaning of here group? Grouped here, look here. In the 9th class, we learn the tally marks. Tally marks. What is the tally marks here? We arrange the numbers by the some numbers and we return the tally marks and return the frequency. Now today topics. Once the topic has given as some SMS or whatever, we arrange into the 9th class 0 to 10, 10-20. That is called as a grouped data. That is called as a grouped data. Suppose 0-10, some 10-20. These are called grouped. These are called as grouping means what? From here to their number. So these classes are called exclusive. What is called? Exclusive. Class interval. Exclusive. CI means what? Class interval. Sir, inclusive means what here? 0-9, 10-19. Like that. Means what? Here look here. Whatever the year. This is called as a lower boundary and this is called as a upper boundary. Lower boundary and upper boundary. Lower boundary, upper boundary. So this upper boundary repeated as a lower boundary, no? So next class will be what here? Next class we will here 20-30. Here the next class will be what here? 20-29 are called inclusive. Inclusive class interval. So, sir, what is the difference between these two? Once look here. This is the lower boundary here also. This is called LB means what? Lower boundary. UB means what? Upper boundary. Here LB and UB. Once we look here, 0-10 is there here. Here 10-20. That means the upper boundary repeated as lower boundary. So we can draw exclusive class interval. Here look here, upper boundary is not repeated as lower boundary. Upper boundary is not repeated as lower boundary. This is called as inclusive. If the given the like this class interval, first we will converting into the exclusive, then only we can do the problem. Sir, how we can convert this into the exclusive? So here 0-9. If this is okay, this is called as a completely exclusive. Now this inclusive we are converting into the exclusive, then only we can do the problem. Okay, na? If anything the problem has given in the inclusive, first we will converting into the boundaries exclusive. First we will write down this one. We have to increase the 0.5 and decrease the point here. Lower bound we have to increase and upper bound we have to decrease. Same here also. We have to decrease this one. Okay, na? So what are the decrease here? How much will be? Sorry, here 0.5. Wait a minute. Look here. So this is called as what here? What we can call here? Okay, we have to decrease, sorry. We have to decrease here 0.5. Now we have to increase 9.5. Okay, na? We will decrease here 0.5 and will increase here 9.5. Next 10 we have to decrease here 9.5. Next what is here? We have to increase now. How much here? 19.5. Here also 19.5. Next 29.5. So meaning what here? The lower bound we have to decrease and upper bound we have to increase. Here also. No clear? Here upper bound is repeated as lower bound, you know. 9.5 is repeated as lower bound, no. So this is called what here? Exclusive. Exclusive. Suppose in this question if they ask in the inclusive we have to convert like this. Okay, na? So we have to decrease and next increase. Next, this is the topic is completed, upper boundary and lower boundary. Next, how we can find out the mid value? Mid value of 0-10 or 10-20 is there. Simple here, write down this here, add this 2 by 2. How much? 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Next, this here also same, 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2, 5. Mid value denoted by the xi. mid value denoted by the xi. This is called as a what? Mid value. So what are the topics today learn? Lower boundary, sorry, upper boundary. The lower boundary, these are called as the upper boundary repeated as lower boundary is called as the exclusive. We can do the in exclusive only solution. Next topic, what is the topic here? Inclusive. So here not repeated. So we got converting into the what we are converting into the what? Lower boundary to upper boundary and upper boundary to lower boundary. So why? They are decreasing and increasing, decreasing and increasing. Same as repeated now. So when we have to do this problem, if they given the problem has given in the inclusive, then only we can converting into the exclusive. Okay na? If the problem they comes like this, we can do that. Okay na? At the topic we can discuss the topic. Next to the formulas of main group data. Main group data formulas. Okay na? So what are the formulas of we have here? First, direct method. First we have direct method. The formula is the sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Already is there in the 9th class, but look here, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is called as a direct method formula of the which one? Mean. Which one? Mean. Denoted what here? X bar. Okay na? Here we know the sigma means what here? Sum. Sigma means what here? Sum. And fi xi means what? Sum of frequency and mid values. Okay na? Sigma fi means what? Sum of frequency. Sigma fi means what? Sum of frequency. If they ask the, suppose in the 1 mark, write the formula of the mean of direct method and explain the terms. Simple here. Sigma write the sum. Sigma fx means what? Sum of observation and frequency. Sigma fi means what? Sum of frequency. This is the direct method formula. Once check out. Okay na? Completed no? Shall we discuss in the direct method one problem? Write down this all this after example 1. Turn the page. Exercise 1, 14.1. Some are the given the problem, number of plants and number of houses. Find the mean per plant house. So what are they given? Which one we are doing here? Direct method of mean. 0-2, 2-4, 12-14. What is given here? Number of plants. This is called as a class interval. Next, number of houses. This is called as a frequency. What is the frequency there? First one, 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is the question. So we have to write into the vertical bar. That means this is called as a vertical. Okay. Then after this is the table is there. Mid value. What? Mid value. I said no. Mid value what here? Mid value means what? Add this 2 and divide by 2. Write down straight. 0 plus 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Cancel how much here? 1. Next 2 plus 4 by 2. How much? 6 by 2. 3. Next again 4 plus 6 by 2. 10 by 2. How much here? 5. Once we observe here, first came here 1. Then after came here 3. How much the difference? 2. Here also 3 after what here? 5. How much the difference came here? 2 came. Immediately next number will be what here? 7 only. Next number here? 9. Next number 11, 13. Sir, how we can know the this is the difference of 2 here? Look here. From 0-2, 2-4. How much the difference will be? 2 only. So what is the classes? This is the classes exclusive. Repeated no? Here repeated no? Okay na? Sir, how can we can count 2-4? We have to count 2, 3 only. Don't count the 4. Why? Because 4 has repeated. Next, this is called as xi. Next, fi xi. Fi xi means what? This f and xi. 1 into 1, 1. Next, 2 into 3, 6. Next, 1 into 5, 5. Next, 5 into 7. Straight you have to write. Next, 6 into 9, 54. Next, 2 into 11, 22. So 3 into 13, 39. This is either we can add sigma fi xi. That is why we have to do the all addition. Next, we will do the addition of this one, sigma fi. How much? 3, 4, 9, 15, 17, 20. This total. Next, this one, 9 plus 2, 11, 15, 20, 25, 31, 32. That much only. 13 3 is 39, 11 2 is 20. 9 plus 2, 11, 15, 20, 25, 31, 32. 3 carry. 6, 8, 13, 16, 162. Okay, na? Here up to here completed now. This is the table. Once check out the table, what I did, the table. Okay, na? I written the question in mid values. Any of the 3 you can do, remaining you have to increase that value according to the what is the gap is there here. Just write down here mean. What is the formula? X bar. What is that formula? Sigma fxi by sigma fi. What do you got? Sigma fxi 162 by 20. If you divide 20 is the how much? 160. 2 remainder, keep the point 0, 21 is 20. How much answer? 8.1. What is the answer? 8.1. This is the mean of direct method. This is the faster direct method. You have to do the remaining all the problems. Everything you have to do the all the problems are homework for the mean. First to complete that one. Then we have the 2 methods also there. Okay. This is the today class completed. One check out. One check out everything. You are getting clear or not? Completed?